All right, hello Chelsea. So today I'm going to go over the brand identity that I created for your brand today. And to start off, we're going to go over the logo design color choices. This is the logo design that I have created for you. And instead of making everything a different color, I just decided to take the blueberries and make them different colors. I just felt that if I made everything this one color, it would be very hard to look at. So I decided to just do the blueberries. And this one is just a pink pastel, a purple pastel, a blue pastel, and another blue pastel. And I felt that this was very fitting. It's very mature looking, but it also has colors in it that are very aimed towards your audience. Nothing too crazy, nothing too hard to look at. So there's that. And then we're going to go over the primary colors palette with the secondary colors. So this first one up here is a just pink pastel, something very soft. And then the next one is a purple pink, another purple pink pastel. It's also very soft, not too crazy. And then the bottom two are blues, and they are also pastels, and I would consider those the primary colors because they are a part of the blue family, but I didn't want to add the primary colors and it be super bold and bright and crazy to look at, so I decided to soften it up a little bit by making them pastels, and that's why I went with this. And we can always go lighter down the color range and make them even lighter. This is the pattern that I designed for you, and I used a lot of the colors from this color palette up here, and I added in this green also. I took a lot of inspiration, my bad, a lot of inspiration from your Pinterest board, and I didn't want to make it super crazy and super intricate, something very simple and not too crazy, and this is what I came up with. And then we're going to go over the typography. I went with two different ones, the Andel Mono, which is the main one that I am choosing to use on everything, and I chose that one because it is very mature looking. It's not very crazy, something that the audience that you're aiming for is going to start taking an interest in, something that they will start to use in anything that they're doing in college, in high school, stuff like that. And then the bottom one is the secondary one that I chose, and it is looks like handwriting, something that a lot of girls enjoy looking at, but that is my secondary one, not necessarily one that I would aim to choose as the first one, but something that we can use on anything if you choose to do so. And then here are the icon designs, the blueberry right here, and then the two logos, and then this is the cruelty-free logo that I designed for you. Something very simplistic, nothing too crazy to look at. I really wanted everything to be very simplistic, nothing too crazy, something very calming to look at, nothing too intricate. So this is everything that I decided to do for your brand identity. I really hope that it is fitting what you're looking for. So yeah, there you go.